Good day, sir. I'm Aladdin B. Inok. I'm here to perform the administering the intradermal injection. Number 1 procedure. Follow the general procedure for giving injection. Rationale. Prevent error in drug administration. A. Assist the medication record use in facility. Uh, use in facility to identify whenever any medication is to be given to an individual client. B. Check the medication list against the physician. Using the right drug administration. To ensure accuracy and prevent medication order. C. Review information regarding the medication. Knowledge on the drug to be used can help healthcare provider to be more competent. D. Assist the size and general build of the client. To choose the correct size of the needle. E. Assist the status of the patient. Determine the need for resistance to the client during the procedure. F is wash hand and prepare materials needed for infection control. G. Withdraw the correct dosage of medicine using the techniques described for drawing from a vial for mixing medicine in syringe. Facilitate proper aspiration of the ordered medicine. H. Recheck your dosage calculation to prevent medication order. Identify and explain the procedure to the client. Provide privacy to establish correct, identify and identify the reduced level of the anxiety. J. Assist the client into a comfortable position. Divert client attention by talking about an interesting subject. Relaxation minimize discomfort and diverting client reduce anxiety. For K is wear sterile glove on your non-dominant hand and select the appropriate site of the injection. Protect yourself from potential blood spill. I. Clean the site with alcohol or cotton ball using circular motion and mechanical action of swab removes containing a circular motion and moving from the middle of the site outward and allow skin to dry the microorganism. 4M, while holding the clean dry cotton ball between finger of non-dominant hand, pull the cup from the needle, touching only the outside. Dry cotton ball remains accessible during procedure. Prevent contamination of the needle. Sa number 1 is Using your non-dominant hand, make the skin the skin in appropriate manner in the injection site chosen. An injection is less painful if the skin is if the skin pierce and allow the needle to enter the skin. When allow the to enter the skin more easily. Number 2, hold the 1 ml tuberculin syringe with gauge 25 or 27 needle at the 10 to 15 angle with of the needle facing up. Intradermal tissue while be penetrate when the needle is held as the near parallel of the skin as possible. Number 3, insert the needle just until the believed in no longer visible. Do not aspirate. Facilitate proper introduction of the medicine. Number 4 is inject the medication slowly by watching for small bleb to appear. Small bleb indicate the medication was deposited in the dermis. Withdraw the needle while applying a gentle pressure using the dry cotton ball. Do not massage the site. Supporting tissue around injection site minimize discomfort. Massage can disappear medication into the tissue and altering test result. For number 6 is encircle the well with a skin marking pen with the site must be encircling part of a well serve as basis of the reading. Assist for reaction or sensitive. Number 7, discharge the uncapped needle and decrease of accidental needle. Syringe in a safe receptacle. 8, remove gloves and wash hand to prevent transmission of microorganisms. Number 9, document procedure done and maintains continuity of the care. Number 10, assist the site at the appropriate time of interval after 30 minutes and determine reaction or sensitive to the drug. Yeah. Things.